Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm here to show you guys how I recreated these Buffalo Wild Wings beautiful, juicy, delectable wings. So these are the ingredients and things you'll need to make this. First of all, we have our eggs from the Amish market, marinated chicken. I marinated for a few hours, amazing. And we have our flour, boom. Then we have our red hot, always need some red hot, spicy, some seasoned oil, and some cornstarch. And we're using this beautiful Power XL air fryer, which I love. I use it every single week, which is one of my favorite air fryers. Well, I never air fried anything else, but you know. First, we're gonna whip up the eggs. You wanna whip it, girl, whip it real good. And then we're going to put that to the side and then get our flour. We're gonna put some cornstarch. Guys, I don't measure, so I don't know, how to tell you guys how to measure certain things, but this is something I did measure, which is a cornstarch, and it was a half a cup that I put in there. I don't know if it makes a difference how much you put in there, but I just used a half a cup. Then we're gonna whip it together, girl. We're just gonna stir it, not whip it. We'll stir it together. And then we're gonna put some seasoned oil in there. The chicken is well seasoned. It's been marinating, like I said, but we want our flour to be seasoned too. Ain't nobody got time for this dry chicken that don't have no seasoning. So you have to make sure you season your flour and your cornstarch. So I'm shaking it, getting everything distributed evenly. Just a little more. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to get our red hot and we're going to pour some into our egg batter. Again, we want to make sure everything is seasoned so everything tastes like it has some season. I don't like chicken that does not taste like it's seasoned. So we're going to put, make sure everything is nice and coated evenly. Make sure it's seasoned. Make sure when you bite into it, you think that you're, in your mama's kitchen. So next we're going to take the marinated chicken wings, and it's self-explanatory. I was trying to use a fork to be cute, but your girl like to use her hands. I know I have linebacker hands. Don't come for me, but yeah. So I just dip the chicken wings. I got these chicken wings from Amish market, which I love. They're so good. They taste so fresh and they don't leave you feeling heavy. That's one thing I really love about the Amish market chicken. So I'm just dipping it into the egg batter and then putting it into the flour mixture. I think I did like 3 or 4, and then I put them in the air fryer container compartment, whatever you want to call it. I believe, like I said, I did 5 or 6 of them. I'm not sure, but I'll tell you later. 3, 6, so I think it's 6. And we're gonna go over to the air fryer. It's so easy, guys. You push it in. I tried to do it for 450, but the air fryer was like, no ma'am, we're going to 400. So we're going to set the timer for 25 minutes and then we'll see what we do next. Boom. If only it took this amount of time in real life. So next thing we're going to do after the chicken's done, we're going to put Asian Zing Buffalo Wild Wing sauce, as well as the honey barbecue with a little bit of heat to it. So first we're gonna do 3 of the Asian Zing, which Asian Zing is a spicier pepper. It's really good. So I did all the drumstick wingets like that, and then I did the flats with the barbecue sauce. But I got into this sauce, I think a couple months ago. I saw it at Walmart, and I'm like, wait, Buffalo Wild Wings sell sauces? So I was excited when I saw these. And today, shout out to Wiata for picking up some barbecue sauce and Asian Zing for me today, because she know your girl needed some wings today. So the next thing we're going to do is the barbecue, and we're just going to do the, repeat the same process. It's very self-explanatory. Y'all know I'm recording a video. People have no manners. None. Just look at that, guys. Look at the drip. Look at the drip. When I tell you I ate like 4 or 5 of these so quickly, I don't know why they were so good. but they were truly good. But if I can give you guys something, is to marinate your chicken. If you do overnight it. But if not, a few hours. Look at this. This is what you call magical. This is what you call sitting on the beach, getting a tan, getting your life, getting your man, whatever you want to call it. And this is the finished product. I really, 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 really love it. It was so good. It was so juicy. It was just everything you needed in your mouth at that point. So good. First of all, shout out to the sun as well for helping your girl out. Oh, what happened?